한 마을로 들어서는 차량. 이 차엔 신혼부부 로버트와 마이아가 타고 있었죠. 이들은 로버트의 고향인 영국을 떠나 미국의 마이아의 고향집에 온 것이었는데
This place is great. It's much bigger than our flat in London.
Not how I remember it. Welcome home.
Welcome home.
마이아의 아버지가 돌아가시면서 이 집을 물려받게 된 것이었죠. 어릴 적 장난감을 발견한 마이아. 한편 로버트는 불안장애를 겪고 있었고
One more, then we're done.
어딘가 스산한 느낌의 위층 다락방.
Hey, Robert!
Yeah?
I was thinking we could head into town.
Okay, in a minute.
Well, heard she up and took herself to London guy and settled down.
Judy, this is Robert.
It is so nice to meet you, Robert. Sorry about your paw.
Thank you.
These are from Larry and Martha. They just wanted to say welcome home.
마을 사람들 모두가 로버트 부부를 환영해주고
Pastor Alice.
Now, calling me Joseph. Do it, everybody. Is with great pleasure, after many years, the daughter of the great Edgar Cardwell returned to us.
로버트는 만취해 쓰러지고 말죠. 잠결에 창고실에서 인기척을 느낀 로버트. 이곳엔 눈이 먼 할머니가 있었는데 역시나 이는 로버트의 악몽이었죠.
Bad dream.
What happened last night?
Got wasted and fell off your chair. Had to bring you home, remember? It's okay.
Please.
You blame me, don't you?
No, of course not.
사실 두 사람은 영국에서 첫 번째 아기를 유산했었는데
I love you.
I love you.
마이아의 어릴 적 사진에 눈이 먼 할머니가 있었죠. 화실에서 자신과 똑 닮은 그림을 발견한 로버트.
Yeah, I guess I can see a resemblance.
Maya, it looks exactly like me.
Yeah, well, maybe if you, my dad traveled a lot for work, collected art. This could have come from anywhere, really. You're not still taking that medication?
No.
Sure.
Hi.
You're...
Robert Burrows, Maya Eden's husband.
그런데 어딘가 이상한 마트 주인과 손님들의 반응.
How much do I owe you?
Oh, please. Good here. Art is a lie. Lies the truth.
마트 주인은 이상한 얘기를 건네주고
One of them is we never received a tracking number.
한 골동품 가게의 주소를 끼워준 마트 주인.
Yeah, we haven't received Dad's suit. Yeah, but to his memorial?
I wasn't wearing it when he died.
그렇게 로버트는 장인어른의 양복을 입고 장인어른의 추도식에 오게 되죠.
We are less because of his devastating. But there is hope. And her new husband. Everybody give him some encouragement.
Thank you.
Nobody minds. I think I'll read from the
그때 사라져버린 마트 주인.
It's getting a mite warm in here, I know.
Head out to the shops. Do you want anything?
I'll call you if I do.
Can I help you?
Hi, I'm actually looking for the other lady that...
I'm sorry, Kathy's not here right now.
Do you know when she'll be...
Can I just say, on a personal note, to have you here in Briar Glen?
모두가 마트 주인의 행방에는 관심이 없어 보였죠. 뭐야 이 미친놈은. 결국 골동품 가게에 와보는 로버트. 그런데 로버트는 이곳에서도 자신이 그려진 그림을 발견하죠.
Watches it burn.
That's not for sale.
I'm sorry. I was just hoping you might be able to...
When I bought the store, there was a whole lot of bad. I'm not the kind of person who hides. No.
로버트를 보고 놀라는 골동품 가게 사장님.
You listen to me. What you need is to run back to life as fast as your legs. Can you understand me?
I'm sorry, I shouldn't have come...
여사장은 로버트에게 떠나라고 소리치죠.
Hey, where were you?
What's that doing up there?
What, we can't laugh about this yet? Come on.
You know, I just found another one.
What?
Another painting. This time he was like a Confederate soldier.
But you don't actually think that's you.
계속해서 별거 아니라고 가스라이팅을 하는 마이아.
Wait, do you even want to be here?
Yes. Also, yes.
I'm gonna go finish up in here.
한편 골동품 사장님은 로버트의 비행기표까지 알아봐주고 있었는데 의문의 메뚜기 떼가 그녀를 공격하죠. 이젠 거울로도 헛것을 보는 로버트.
Welcome home, boy.
역시나 이는 꿈이었는데 안경이 실제로 부러져 있었고
Serious?
임신에 성공한 마이아. 그렇게 시간이 흐르고
Watch it, that's hot. You're strong, healthy miracle, baby.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You know, Robert, I've been meaning to ask you something. Are you a true believer?
Honestly, I'm not.
Would you give me hands?
로버트의 세례를 해주는 목사. 목사의 집도 어딘가 이상했죠. 그때 로버트는 이곳에서도 자신의 그림을 발견하고
I took a wrong turn and I saw this painting.
It's you.
Yeah.
You should see the look on your face. I had you there for a minute. This here is none other. Great Alistair Edgar, man that saved this town.
알고 보니 그림의 주인은 이 마을을 처음으로 살려낸 선조였죠.
I've seen other paintings just like always referred to as the visitor.
This is one 20-sided man in his own image, the image of God. He created him. I would just take it as a sign where you are meant to be. Maybe it's time for you to get that young.
Alistair Edgar.
But this is really beginning to...
로버트를 반겨주는 웬 두꺼비들.
Hello?
Mr. Burns, I present.
Yeah, speaking.
You're alone, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm alone.
Town of Briar Glen, you saw are never alone.
What is it?
The visitor.
그때 누군가 로버트를 찾아오고
My. Maxwell Braun. They're fine arts and antiquities. You want answers, don't you?
남자는 로버트에게 그림 이야기를 알려주죠.
This is the first one that caught my eye. Shopping a collection in Germany, the 30s and 40s, around the time of the Second World War. Completely buried amongst the morass. Something about it called to me. Purchased to add to my collection. That is, until a few years later when I came across this.
과거 주요 사건의 모든 사진에 존재하는 로버트.
Are just the tip of the eye. During Leopold's brutal reign, Korean genocide during the 1970s, covering hundreds of photos, them featuring this same man.
도대체 남자의 정체는 무엇일까요?
Is his name Alistair?
Years trying to ascertain his identity. No avail. One frustrated and drunken night, stumbled across an online dedicated to and forgotten contemporary. I met Margaret Delacroix.
From the antique store.
She paid the ultimate price.
She died.
골동품 사장의 사망 소식을 듣게 된 로버트.
He is both you and not you, Robert.
What does that even mean?
Means you're still in control of your own destiny.
Please, just stop talking to me in riddles. What the fuck is going on?
This is not your home, Robert.
결국 이 남자도 속 시원한 얘기 없이 로버트에게 떠나라 경고하는데
What about my wife? Expecting a son, I can't just leave.
It's even more urgent than I thought.
What has my son got to do with it?
로버트의 자식까지 그와 같이 저주를 받게 된다 얘기하는 남자.
Robert.
Robert.
Everything that's going on with these
The
paintings.
paintings.
I think we should move back to London.
결국 로버트는 아내에게 같이 떠나자 말하는데
Bear a passing resemblance.
Yes, actually, that. We got here, there have been real consequences. People have died. Margaret Delacroix, the lady from the art shop. And what about Kathy? 1 minute she's here, seems to care. What if we're next? I met a guy today, said his name was Maxwell.
Maxwell Braun, that's what this is about. Famously
He had
insane.
information, he showed me photos.
I'm not gonna give that up over some.
This is not a fucking delusion.
You can go to London. You'll be going alone.
상황만 더욱 악화되어 버리죠. 그때 로버트가 무언가에 홀리듯이 이끌리고
Family, Earth.
로버트는 자신의 미래라도 보는 걸까요? 또 밤중에 홀로 나와보는 로버트. 로버트는 이제 약에 의존하지 않기로 하죠.
Robert, it's Maxwell. I received your mess. Meeting place as you requested.
그런데 갑자기 자신과 만나기로 했었다는 지난번 그 할아버지. 로버트는 서둘러 해당 장소로 향하는데
Mr. Braun?
할아버지는 이미 살해당한 상태였죠. 서둘러 아내를 찾는 로버트.
Maya!
그런데 로버트는 자신과 똑같이 생긴 남자의 사진을 또 발견하죠. 심지어 똑같은 사진이 곳곳에 있었는데
He never loved me.
Maya, who is this?
He wanted a son.
Maya, who the fuck is this?
Edgar Cartwell Eden. Our father.
사진 속 남자가 마이아와 로버트의 아빠라는 충격적인 사실. 아니 그럼 둘이 남매였어?
You were kidnapped, Robert. London found you a family far away from us. They tried to break the cycle,
Braun, Margaret.
amongst others. They got what they deserved.
So you killed them?
No, sweetheart. You did.
게다가 골동품 사장과 그 할아버지까지 로버트가 죽인 것이라는데 이중인격의 로버트가 진짜 둘을 살해한 것이었죠.
I was sent out, the little girl, to find you and bring you home. Took me years. I have sacrificed so much for this family. Oh, it's your turn.
Or how they've brainwashed you? But you need to listen to Robert. You're Maya. We're married. You're pregnant.
그리고 마이아의 뱃속 아들이 바로 로버트의 뒤를 이을 후계자였죠. 둘의 첫 만남을 회상하는 로버트.
They sell pecan pie here?
No, I don't think so.
And Maya.
그렇게 로버트의 아들이 태어나게 되고 완전히 세뇌된 로버트.
Accept this honor, Robert?
로버트는 자신의 순환 혈통을 이어갈 아들을 품에 안죠.
I'm off.
여태 선조들이 그려했듯 똑같이 눈이 멀어버린 마이아. 마을 사람들은 모두 로버트를 찬양하죠. 그렇게 이 막장 혈통에 잠식되어 버린 로버트를 보여주며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 더 비지터였습니다. 비 내리는 어느 날
Really comes down hard.
Traffic's a nightmare. I hate this weather.
At least you got a man in the house. How's Robert doing?
Yeah, he's good. He's actually out of town. He got a new client, so.
Travels so much.
What? I just went out. Okay.
그때 인기척이 느껴지고
Hello?
모습을 드러내는 강도. 그때 강도가 여자를 제압하려 하고 죽어버린 여자. 그렇게 시간이 지나고 런던 유학을 앞둔 바이올리니스트 엘리자베스가 등장하죠.
You're still having a hard time with that?
Vincent.
The hands were too fat for Dvorak. When you're playing attention to your breathing,
I'm trying.
어딘가 변태 같은 단장.
My apologies, that was my... You going somewhere? On a weekend outing to the 36-year-old doctor. Sounds serious. London Philharmonic. You made it in, didn't you? Accepted my application to their summer in London studying with the finest. Thought we celebrate when I get back. It's settled then.
한편 엘리자베스를 지켜보는 수상한 이웃.
It's harmless. Anyway, have a great weekend. You too.
Oswald needs a place to come. I know it's a lot to ask, but you're my only hope.
Guess that settles that then.
Honey, it's Mom. London Philharmonic. Dad and I are so... Come over and visit the family. I love you. Bye.
It's Justin. I really need to talk to you. I said some things that didn't sit well with you. Avoiding me is not going to make this any better. I'll be back in town tomorrow and really want to see you.
엘리자베스는 유학 문제 때문에 남친 저스틴과 싸운 상태였는데 그때 누군가 집 안에 들어오고 고양이를 맡기겠다던 친구가 도착하죠.
Hang on! Elizabeth, Portland, Oregon, for God's sake. Up on your door again?
Oswald, my man!
Thanks for taking care of Oz for me. Back Sunday evening to get him. God's sakes, I don't want to keep interrupting your...
Fine. Tell me what's really been bothering you.
Needed to work up the courage.
또 기웃거리는 강도.
I have to leave the symphony. My son happened.
Daniel.
Nothing is wrong with him. I missed his first. Gonna get that back. Fix this, I promise.
고양이만이 인기척을 감지하죠. 또다시 홀로 남겨진 엘리자베스.
Oz, you hungry?
그때 강도가 대놓고 뒤에 나타나는데 아니 왜 이렇게 둔해? 점점 대담해지는 강도.
Hey, sis. What's going on?
Girl, say hi. It's crazy. Where are you?
Passing over Bridal Falls.
You're gonna be at Mom and Dad's on Monday?
Looks like it. Everything all right?
We're told. Then I should let you go.
No, I can talk.
엘리자베스도 계속 불안감을 느끼고
Hello.
I'm staring at a piece of lint.
Security check, aren't you? Would have known.
You're such a little girl. What for?
Got you spooked.
Yeah, no, it's fine. It's nothing. Stories that Dad used to tell us when we were young.
I know. I remember.
Imaginations were.
옷장에 숨어 있는 강도.
I just found Rusty.
Teddy bear.
강도는 재빨리 탈출하죠.
Listen, it sounds like you have everything under control.
Drive safe. Bye.
Bye.
강도는 또 엘리자베스의 뒤로 접근하는데 또 숨어버리는 강도. 아니 이러다 영화 끝날 때 나오겠어. 그렇게 아침이 찾아오고 따뜻한 손길을 내미는 강도. 아유 짜친다 짜쳐. 아우 더러워 죽겠네 진짜. 그때 강도가 드디어 칼을 꺼내드는데 이번에도 아무 일도 일어나지 않았죠. 아니 내용이 언제 진행이 되는 거야?
Ozzy, behave. I'll be back in.
드디어 집에 돌아온 강도. 알고 보니 그는 오랫동안 엘리자베스를 스토킹하고 있었죠.
Hey, is your name Elizabeth?
Do I know you?
Oh, no, sorry. But I live in the neighborhood. Yeah, I live in a big with the white trim on it.
It's a great spot. I walk past it every day.
I live off of Joel's Coffee.
Best coffee in the city.
Right? I think it was last week. I was just waiting for my order. I couldn't help
You
it.
know what? I were there celebrating some good news.
Since your boyfriend?
Yeah, if you mean the guy with the beard.
Well, my name's John.
Elizabeth, pleasure to meet you.
Well, hey, it was nice to meet you.
자 일단 유령 용의자 등장. 또 엘리자베스의 집에 온 강도. 그때 엘리자베스의 남친 저스틴이 등장하죠. 남친은 범인이 아니었네.
I'm almost happy to see you.
그렇게 두 사람은 화해의 대화를 나누죠.
So was that sex?
I don't know yet. So, given any more thought to coming to London?
I can't go. If I leave now, I could be jeopardizing the.
Look, I've been thinking. You should think about moving in when you get back. With Mommy. And we can be.
Actually accepting your bad news. Are you coming back tonight?
You want me to?
Oh, Justin?
Yeah?
What about dinner with the parents on Monday night?
Your mother would never forgive me if I didn't.
Okay. See you tonight.
We're gonna picture some wild.
그때 저스틴을 공격하는 강도. 저스틴의 시체는 엘리자베스의 침대 밑에 놓이죠. 핏자국은 어떻게 한 거야?
So you wanted to see me? Let me guess, you're having second thoughts about going to England.
Perhaps.
Such a disappointment. You have so much talent. You actually have so much. Now you're asking me to stand over some stupid situation.
유학을 포기하겠다는 엘리자베스를 강하게 내치는 단장. 저 단장도 이상하단 말이지. 이제 아예 대놓고 뒤에서 지휘까지 하는 강도. 그런데 이번에도 강도는 아무 짓도 안 하죠. 이러다 진짜 영화 끝날 때 나올 수도 있겠구나 하는 불안감이 엄습하고 그날 밤 세탁소 이웃이 갑자기 엘리자베스의 집을 찾아오죠.
Did you lose this? Hey, you must have dropped it when...
Can't believe I... Well, it's the least I can do.
Thanks.
그런데 강도가 이 모습을 지켜보고
You're a musician?
It was my parents, really. They're the ones that got me into...
Parents are special.
What line of work are you in?
I write a blog.
What's the blog about?
Basic stuff, relationships, dating, some of your dreams. Speaking of which, can I ask you, how'd you guys meet? What does he do? Sorry, I know that's a really weird... So how does a guy like that get a girl like you?
Well, what's a girl like me?
You don't have to answer that question right now. Take care.
그렇게 순순히 돌아가는 이웃.
Oswald! Oz!
하필 그때 밖에서 고양이 울음소리가 들리고
Ozzy! Oswald!
천둥 소리에 넘어지는 엘리자베스. 그때 옆집 남자가 나타나죠.
Have you seen a cat anywhere?
You and your friend's cat?
Wait, how did you know that? I've got a cat.
Probably waiting for it to...
Thanks.
이 새끼가 범인이었구만.
You have got to be kidding.
한편 엄마와 영통을 하는 엘리자베스.
I'm worried about Justin. He was to come over tonight.
Still time. Really feel you young type.
엘리자베스는 옷방의 전구를 교체하려 하죠.
So, Carol is coming on. David's go.
그때 전구가 깨져버리고
Mum, I'm gonna have to call you back.
He's getting the best of you.
You've no idea.
Wait, go do what you have to do.
아니 뭐 얘가 범인이었어?
Ah, voila.
Cue to say good night.
Okay, night, Mum. Justin, where?
엘리자베스는 이제야 남친에게 전화를 걸어보는데
Justin?
빨리 경찰부터 불러. 아니 그냥 잔다고?
Bless you.
이제야 정체를 드러내는 강도. 그리고 놀랍게도 영화는 진짜 이렇게 끝이 납니다. 그리고 바로 등장하는 쿠키 영상.
Arresting.
엘리자베스는 외딴 곳에서 눈을 뜨고 이곳은 그 강도의 집인 듯 했죠. 결국 엘리자베스도 제압당하고
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. I just moved into the neighborhood.
추가 범행이 예고되며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 인트루더였습니다. 1995년 부탄. 커플 두 쌍이 하이킹 여행을 왔는데
What is that?
구덩이에 빠지는 폴.
Paul? Paul? You okay down there, buddy?
그런데 폴은 멀쩡했고 기괴한 해골이 있었죠.
You're right. Touch me. What? Come on. Come on!
There's a house!
일단 빈집으로 들어오는 이들.
I think he's in shock.
Some kind of gas pocket, maybe.
I was breathing the same air he was.
We need to get him to a hospital.
Then I will transport to Jakarta myself, okay?
여자는 폴이 가지고 온 피리를 불어보죠.
We'll be right back, okay?
그때 여자가 누군가를 발견하고 여자를 향해 달려오는 의문의 형체.
Lucy, open up, it's us.
See someone out there? No, just you. What?
그런데 그때
Paul?
사라져버린 폴.
Where is he?
이들은 폴의 발자국을 따라가 보는데
Fuck's sake, Paul, what are you doing?
갑자기 일행을 공격하는 여자. 그렇게 폴의 일행은 모두 사망하죠. 그로부터 약 20년이 지나고 전직 경찰이자 주인공 제임스가 등장하죠.
Hello, Amanda. Your mom know you're here?
제임스의 이웃집 소녀 아만다가 그를 찾아왔는데
Ever since my father died, so soon after when Allison and Henry.
It's okay.
But I came to tell you I found something so freeing.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
이상한 얘기를 하고 가는 아만다. 사실 제임스는 얼마 전 사고로 아내와 아들을 잃었는데 다음날 갑자기 사라져버린 아만다.
She came to see you yesterday?
Amanda, yes.
She say anything to make you think she was going?
Not at all. Why don't you make me a list of Amanda's friends?
제임스는 직접 아만다를 찾아보기로 하죠.
Well, do you know where Amanda is?
No.
Can I have one?
Some story if you went to a bridge after dark, found an empty bottle. If you blew into it, thought about him, something would happen. A few of us were down on a rocks bridge.
아만다와 친구들은 MT맨 소환의식을 치렀었고
Was that the last time you saw Amanda?
Saw her at the mall the next day talking to Brandon.
You okay?
No, I have to.
직접 그 다리에 와보는 제임스. 제임스는 맨홀 뚜껑 안으로 들어가 보는데 이곳에 아만다의 친구들이 죽어 있었죠. 한편 그 시각 아만다의 친구는 집에 홀로 있었는데 MT맨이 나타나 그녀를 살해하고 말죠.
She knew Amanda Quayle. Is that why you were talking to her?
Yeah, that's right. They were friends. You have a suspect?
By all appearances, it was a suicide.
Hello?
그때 누군가 제임스의 집에 침입하고 도망친 듯한 침입자. 그렇게 제임스는 아만다가 다니던 의문의 기관에 와보는데
Hi. Hey, so I'm looking for some.
There is nothing you have lost.
이곳은 그냥 흔한 사이비 단체 같았죠.
At one time, we were one. Comes to you directly from the empty man.
그때 엔티맨이 언급되고
Thank you for coming.
Towards the end, you did say...
The empty man.
That's right. What does it mean?
A meditation. The veil between form and flesh.
You, seen this girl here? She hang out here? Fire.
제임스는 이곳을 조금 더 조사해보기로 하죠.
Nothing can be known about it. It cannot be understood.
지하 깊숙한 곳에선 또 다른 의식이 진행 중이었고 그때 걸려버리는 제임스.
Would you come with us, sir? No idea how dangerous these people are, man.
그러나 제임스는 이 사이비 단체를 더 조사해보기로 하고 사이비 단체에서 캠핑을 한다는 곳에 도착한 제임스. 그때 대규모 인원의 캠프파이어가 진행 중이었고 제임스가 뒤돌자 갑자기 끝난 캠프파이어. 그렇게 제임스와 대규모 인원의 술래잡기가 시작되죠. 겨우 탈출에 성공하는 제임스.
What the fuck was that?
Man, this is bad news. And you are not a cop anymore.
그때 MT맨이 모습을 드러내고 빠따는 좀 무서웠는지 또 도망친 MT맨. 제임스는 사이비 신도들을 미행하려는데 아니 이건 또 왜 갖고 왔어? 놈들이 온 곳은 한 중환자실이었죠. 다시 그 건물의 지하 도서관에 온 제임스. 그런데 제임스는 이곳에서 자신의 신상들을 발견하죠. 심지어 제임스가 발가벗고 다니는 사진까지.
How long ago was that?
Almost a year. He was admitted to Bellevue 23 years ago and Cedar Rapids until 2 years ago. Maybe they were treating him experiment. As far as I know, doesn't have a name.
Who pays John Doe's?
Sure, I don't know. There's one in there with him right now.
Hello, Amanda.
알고 보니 아만다는 여기 있었고.
Who is he?
You know who he is.
I need to call your mom. I found Amanda.
I'm sorry, who is this?
It's me, James.
Who are you calling for?
Laura?
갑자기 제임스에 관한 기억을 잃은 아만다의 엄마.
He's weakening now. No longer a human body.
사실 환자의 정체는 20년 전 폴이었고 아만다는 쇠약해진 폴의 대치자로 제임스를 점찍었던 것이었는데
The death of your wife and son. And where were you? Who did you the most?
사실 제임스는 아만다의 엄마와 불륜 관계였고 이를 알고 있던 아만다가 이 모든 상황을 설계한 것이었죠. 그리고 제임스에게 잊혀졌던 기억이 하나 떠오르는데 사이비 지하실 침입 당시 제임스는 사실 MT맨을 마주쳤었고 제임스는 이미 이때 MT맨에게 몸을 빼앗긴 것이었죠. 이제 모든 사실을 알게 된 제임스. 제임스는 폴을 살해하죠. 그리고 제임스를 MT맨으로 받아들이는 사람들. 그렇게 영화는 불륜의 위험성에 대해 경고하며 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 MT맨이었습니다.